Ay, nako.
Oh my God!
Oh my God, your 10,000 peso nails! Natanggal! Oh my God!
Ayoko na!
Ayoko na rin! Ayoko na! Ayoko na! Aray ko! Oh my God, I'm so haggard! It's so ugly.
Hay, ang bagal mo kumilos.
Eh, ang bigat-bigat naman tong gallons of water na to. Wala bang mga men who can help me carry this?
Paano namang hindi ka mapapagod? Ngayon lang yata ako nakakita ng kargador ng tubig na naka-heels.
Hello?
Oh. Hoy, Karina.
Ah,
Yes, kailangan kita. Kulang ng tao ko sa resto. May nagpapatimpla ng juice?
juice?
Okay, right away. Sige, bilisan mo ha.
Oh, okay. Juice? I've been a CEO for so long. Does it look like I know how to make juice? Ay, nako. Juice ka mo.
Hoy, Karina, saan na? Ang tagal mo naman.
Coming! Coming! Oh my God, anak! Kaya mo pa ba?
I will help you, Mommy. Huh? In the best way I can, Mommy. So we should fight. Because tomorrow is another day. Basta promise mo sa akin, di natin tatakasan to, ah. We will face it.
I promise, no running away. I'm sorry, anak, I got you involved in this mess. I actually feel like a loser right now. But you know what? Kakayanin natin to. We'll do everything we can, okay?
Mommy, just stop the blame game, okay? Hindi mo naman to kasalanan, eh. Some things just really happen for a reason. At isa pa, big girl na ako. We're in this together.
You know, I am so lucky to have you.
So lucky to have you, too. As my mom. May pera ka man wala. I love you.
I love you. Promise, babawi ako, okay?
Alam mo, Mommy, I realize ang hirap pala ng trabaho ng mga staff dito, no? Like, doing their job has made me understand their daily struggles. It's a very humbling experience.
That's why your mommy works so hard. Especially nung namatay ang daddy mo. Ayokong mahirapan ka sa buhay.
But what is life without some hardships? Pagod na ako, Mommy. Nag-rest muna ako.
Hello, Jay. Can I ask you for one last favor? We're stuck here in this resort. Kailangan magpadala ka na ng driver. ASAP. Oo, kahit next week. Kailangan na namin tumakas dito.
Hello, everyone! Beautiful people! I would like to check in!
Ay, mabuhay! Welcome to Sunrise Sunset Resort.
Checking in?
Yes, please. Oh my gosh! Are you Donna Leticia, author of How to Save a Dying Business?
Absolutely, that's me.
Oh my God! I'm a huge fan of yours. It's so nice to meet you. I love your work, your advocacy, and your company.
Thank you. Nice to meet you also. Ano room ko?
Well, I know po that you're checked in at the Intergalactic Grand International Universal Presidential Room with your own helipad and personal maid. It's on the 3rd floor, first room to your right. What's this for?
Nasa baba yung helicopter ko. Okay, park na lang, dear. Thank you. use this.
Gising! Tulong! Tulungan mo siya! Oh my God, baby! Baby, wake up! Wake up, my baby! Oh my God! Oh my God! Alive! You're alive, my baby! Are you okay?
I'm okay, Mommy.
Say it
I'm
again!
gonna die.
What?